Hello everyone, in today's quick guide I'm going to be showing you how to use the 900-215 nibbling tool to cut straight circles or even irregular shapes in up to 18 gauge soft steels or 1/16 inch aluminum, copper, or plastics. I have in front of me a sheet of 22 gauge weldable steel and a plastic enclosure case just to give you a couple samples of how it works. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the action. Alright, so first up we're just going to go ahead and try to cut a straight line. See, it does take a good amount of force, but you do get a nice clean line once you've got it punched out. To turn it, you just need to rotate the tool, come in here, and then you can start cutting this way. And we're going to go ahead and turn it this way and finish cutting out this section right here. And last one. Alright, so to do an irregular shape, you just do the same thing. Just anytime you want to turn it, you just make sure you have enough room so you can puncture it out. And then turn it. Like so. There you got a little bit of example of making a curved cut as well. Okay, now we're going to add an opening to this plastic enclosure in case you had wires or something you were going to be running through here and just needed to make a small notch on the side. Flip it around this way and we'll just add it right here. See, much easier with the plastic than this steel. So that's our quick look on using the nibbling tool. As you can see, it does take some force to cut through these steel sheets, but it is capable of getting the job done. If you had a battery-powered cutter, it's going to be faster and more efficient, but this is way less expensive and just something you can easily keep inside of your toolkit. Plastic, it cuts through like butter. Copper and aluminum would be much easier as well. Alright, thanks for watching.